Hesitation is natural because we've all been bombarded with a bunch of crap, wasting our time and effort. You know there's some good things out there though, just like I do. And we have something for you today. So what I would like you to do is have a look at the link below. It is a 13-minute video that can change your life if you would like to pay off a mortgage in a fraction of the time, or if you'd like to use $12,000 a year pre-tax money as opposed to post-tax money on your children, and that's for each and every child under 18. Or if you'd like to learn credit, or if you'd like to learn fix and flip, or if you'd like to learn buy and hold, or if you'd like to learn notes, if you'd like to learn how to find properties before they hit the market, if you'd like to learn how to find partners that have all the money, any and all of these things we can help with. All you need to do is watch the short video and then let us know if you would like to learn more. This has changed many people's life, and it can be your life-changing solution that you've been hoping for. Remember, to change, you have to learn something new, think something new, say something new, but most of all, you have to do something new.